जीएसटीचेर जनते जागृताय हाडपाक केंद्रीय रेल्वे मंत्री सुरेश प्रभू हांच्या हजेरींत बुधवारा पणजे समीट जालें। जीएसटीचो फायदो देशांतल्या दर एका नागरिकाक जातलो म्हूण केंद्रीय रेल्वे मंत्री उलयला। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
And I will say that while the GST law was being framed, quite a few legislations in the GST itself, when they were framed, or the concept was being planned, there has been a huge consultation. While it was getting implemented again, the GSTN and all other stakeholders, including GST Council, they again had a huge outage. General feeling of the people is that they are pretty happy with it. Obviously, when you make a change as huge as this, obviously people will get time to get used to it. And there's always a fear of unknown, which will keep nagging people's mind. Otherwise, there is a actually, I would say, seamless rollout. Opportunities coming in terms of development of business. For example, because GST comes in, tax returns may be filed online. But because GST has come in, there is more business opportunity for people, and that for business will grow so that chartered accountants can do business advisory service. So the benefit of this is going to go to everybody. Also understanding any good suggestion that will come from you, and then taking on board those ideas to make GST implementation far better than what is being done and what was contemplated. And this is absolutely necessary and possible that we can. There are some possibilities of improvement are still there. There are always possibilities. We can open to that.
The government, under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, has been spearheading reforms after reforms for the good of the society, for good of the country, and for growth and development of this country. This new reform by name GST, Goods and Service Tax, when it came into being, we saw a lot of simplification of it. I, for one, in the industry, had to keep a lot of books, especially of excise, service tax, VAT, and whatnot, entry tax. Today, everything has been subsumed and just one book suffices, that is of GST.